when I will go in Australia, I have a scouts in Malaysia.
Oh, yeah. Malaysia?
Malaysia.
Before me,
I will do that 2 days in Malaysia.
Oh,
Malaysia.
good sa Malaysia. Where? Kuala Lumpur?
Singapore.
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 Alright.
Singapore.
Okay. Shout out.
Hello.
Alright.
How you say hello in the Philippines?
Huh? How?
How
Many?
you say in Philippine language Philippine? How?
Oh, so many language so.
Yeah.
You know, Bisaya, Tagalog.
I like Senegal.
Yeah.
Senegal have
Maybe.
many population.
Yeah. Same.
Many language.
Okay, you better
Huh?
break time, you know?
Break.
Yeah, break.
You want to go a cafe?
Yeah.
Why not?
Okay. You. Electrician muna tayo. Ayan, no? Ayan. This one veteran electrician from, where from?
I'm from Brescia.
Brescia. Ayan.
And I from Senegal.
Oh, Senegal.
And I'm
15 years in working in Italy. Wow.
I 56.
Yeah, electrician naman tayo. Ayan, so, ayan, ayan, shout out sa inyo. Alright. Bye. Electrician naman, tapos na. Okay.